Are you on the fence about selling your home? Wondering if it's the appropriate time to make a move? Here's a few things to consider that might help you clear the decision to sell now or wait. Welcome to Table Talks. I'm Carla Knight with Coldwell Banker Denver West. Table Talks is where I answer your questions about the real estate market with tips and ideas surrounding the subject. If you have questions, reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram at Selling Dwelling CO or LinkedIn and my website at Carla Knight Homes. I will respond to you directly and possibly make a video on the subject. So, this week I spoke with a potential client the other day. Our conversation surrounded the thought of whether it's a good time to make a move to downsize. They were on the fence about the cost as well as the timing of this year's market. They had the option to choose to when to make this move happen, just unsure about how to make the decision. We discussed a few things. First, let's take a look at the amount of equity they had in their home. If you've purchased your home in less than 3 to 5 years, it might not be feasible to capitalize on the equity you might need to purchase another home. Because they had more than 10 years in their current home, the equity question was easily answered. Another question about to stay and remodel. The cost of remodeling and adding some space to some areas and making the yard smaller was the desired outcome. Remodeling is a way to stay in place, and having the estimates done can help you understand the financial portion of it, as well as the possibility of making your home the reality of what you're looking for. But the question also comes up of the discomfort of having your home disassembled and reassembled while you're still living in it. It was debated for a moment. For some people, the chaos of remodeling is too difficult to live in, and it's not at all comfortable. I've been there. How about your neighborhood? Has it changed? Are you still finding everything has the same charming feeling that you enjoyed when you found it? I asked that not just about the neighborhood itself, but your home that you're living in. Is it still comfortable for your lifestyle? The cost and effort of maintaining your home may be out of alignment with your current lifestyle. Maybe when you moved in, you had young children and a large yard was the plan. That large yard can be inconvenient now when you are on a trip and the yard needs immediate attention, like the snow falling or other things. After looking at the interest rates and net sheets showing estimated proceeds, the question of the current market became the topic for the couple. Knowing they'll receive a fantastic return on their investment, they will need to purchase or rent in the area they are looking at. After receiving information on the questions we reviewed, they decided that looking into the availability of homes in the areas they prefer is the next step. It's the last piece of information in place before a decision is made to actually move forward with changing their housing. Moving is a project. Making sure all the pieces fit with accurate information is the key before you start the process. Call for an exclusive plan to identify if the time is right for you to make the move you're wanting to make. Whether you're a first-time home buy purchase or a downsize to match your lifestyle, always know that the information you need is a phone call away. Have a good day.